How to delete a profile on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can delete a profile on Netflix. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now in order to delete your profile, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually launch the Netflix application. And on the login page, you'll see all of the profiles which you have the option to log into. So let's say I want to delete this specific profile. Do not open it just yet. You have to tap on the edit button on the top right hand side, which is also this pencil icon over here. Just tap on it. As you tap on the edit button, you will see all these sorts of options. Over here you have to select the profile you want to delete. As you do so, you'll find all these sorts of options again, but in order to delete it, at the bottom of the screen you'll find this trash icon that says delete profile. So just tap on delete profile. It will ask you for your confirmation. Do you really want to delete this profile? Just go ahead and tap on the delete profile button, and now you can see we only have 2 profiles left. You can log into Netflix using the other profiles, and that's all it takes to delete your profile on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.